Hello friends, this is Sam from Sam Munoz Consulting, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to send passwords via LastPass. You can use this to send passwords to contractors you work with, employees, etc., so that your business is sending passwords securely and not just using email to send important information. So the first thing you need to do, if you don't already have a LastPass account, is go to lastpass.com and then click Get LastPass Free. LastPass is a free tool. You can also pay for the premium one if you want to, and then create your account here. So I'm going to go ahead and create an account, and then we'll move on to the next step. So once your account has been created, you can add LastPass to your browser. I do highly recommend that because that means that you can access this little tool, which lets you create LastPass items from the login pages that you're visiting through Google Chrome. So I definitely recommend that, and then logging in, and then you'll get this cool little extension up here on the right-hand side. Once you add the extension, you can go ahead and click on it and add your email and master password and log in via the extension. And now you'll be logged in. It'll take you to a How It Works page, but then the place that we really want to go to is the My LastPass Vault. So once you're here in the vault, you can go ahead and start adding items that you can then send to people. So you can click on Add Item, go to Password, type in the URL of the login page. So again, this is what I was saying before about how the extension is really helpful, because if you go to, let's say, flywheel.com and then go to their login page, from here you can actually create your item and your password. So you can go to Add Item, Password, and then it will add the URL of the login page for you. It will add the name for you, and then you simply fill in your username and password information. So let's just say this was my username and password, and then I'm going to click on Save, and then I can come back to my vault, and here it is, and now it's ready to share. So this is the item in my account. I go over to Sharing Center on the left-hand side, and then I can go to Shared with Others, click Share Item, add their email address. So let's say I was sending this to myself here. If you want the recipient to be able to see the password, in some cases you may. Someone might ask you to do it, or you might want to show them it so that they can fill it in somewhere. You would click Allow Recipient to See Password. Otherwise, leave that unchecked, because then it just fills it in for them and they never see what your password is. So add in the email address and then the item to share, which is the one I just created, and then click on the Share button, and then they will receive an email that your LastPass item has been shared, and you can continue doing this over and over again with anyone you work with, sharing it to the same person, sharing it with people on your team, or sharing it with different people. And that is how you share your credentials via LastPass. If you wanted to, you can create the item right here in your vault. All you do is click on this little plus sign on the right-hand side, click Password, and create it using that same form that was shown for the flywheel example. And that is how you send passwords securely via LastPass.